Now you just need to create your passkey. You don't need to memorize passwords. With the passkey, just log in effortlessly using facial recognition, fingerprint, or screen lock. I can log in from any of your devices. So now go to create a passkey. So now a verification code has been sent to my email. I'm just going to go back there and check it. And that is 7934221. So I'm just going to copy that. Just copy it straight. And I am going to go paste it. Now, I thought I just created a passkey, but apparently I still haven't created a passkey. Now, depending on okay, so the passkey can be generated for you, and you just press continue. And now your passkey has been created successfully. You can now use your fingerprint, facial recognition, or its screen lock to quickly and securely log into KuCoin. Just press done. And you can choose to add another passkey, which can be your fingerprint or your facial recognition. So you can create up to 10 passkeys, and you can easily rename your passkey. Now with that, you just go back